Welcome to Z Mobile Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to do the software iPhone 7. If your phone is disabled or you want to restore and update, I can let you know how to do that with the proper way. So if your phone is switched on, then switch off your phone. When your phone is completely switched off, open iTunes on your laptop. When the iTunes is open, connect the cable to your laptop, press and hold the volume down button and connect the cable. When your phone comes on with this cable sign on the screen, then release the volume down button and you're gonna see on your iTunes there is a 3 option: cancel, update, restore. Click on the restore. If your phone is disabled and you just update, it's not gonna work. You have to restore and update. And one more thing, when you do restore and update, you will lose your all data. Okay, click on restore and update and the process will start. It will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. Then after that your phone will be like factory reset. You have to set it up again to use it. Is done. So that's the whole process you have to do when your phone is disabled and you want to restore or update. Then you have to follow the all process step by step. It will show you in the video.